Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by making the caramel because it sets the flavor base. Heat 1 cup sugar with 1/4 cup water until it turns deep amber, swirling not stirring to avoid crystallization. Once done, quickly pour into a 6-inch flan mold or 8 small ramekins and tilt to coat evenly so the caramel hardens in a thin, glossy layer. Meanwhile, combine 1 can sweetened condensed milk and 1 can evaporated milk in a bowl. You want them ready for the egg mixture to follow immediately. Now make the custard. Lightly whisk 4 whole eggs and 2 yolks. Gentle motion prevents air bubbles that cause holes in the flan. Then add the prepared milks, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and 1/4 teaspoons salt. Stir until homogeneous but not foamy because foam causes uneven texture. Once mixed, strain the custard through a fine sieve into the caramel-coated mold to remove chalaza and any lumps. This step ensures a smooth, silky flan. Place the filled mold in a baking pan for water bath. Bake in a bain-marie at 325 degrees F for about 50-60 minutes until the center trembles slightly. This gentle heat prevents curdling and yields a custard that's creamy, not rubbery. Once done, cool to room temperature, then refrigerate at least 4 hours or overnight to let the flan fully set and the caramel liquefy. To serve, run a thin knife around the edge, invert onto a plate, and warm the base briefly if caramel sticks. If curdled or grainy, a too high oven caused it. Lower temp and extend time next bake.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.